Hi there. My name is Dave Dockery. I'm president of the Tampa Bay Computer Society. We're a 1,300-member computer and technology user group located in Clearwater, Florida. This is a standard USB cable that plugs into any computer today. What's special about this one is it's connected to this, which is a one-can USB refrigerator. Is this cool for the geek who has everything? Little magnetic door, open it up, keeps your soda or alcoholic beverage nice and cold. Well, I ran into a great Christmas deal. I bought a dozen of them. We will be having them for a few of them will be given away at our monthly meetings at the Society. See you soon.